Come test drive the 2012 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, traction control, stability control, keyless entry, Bluetooth, driver airbag, power steering, adjustable steering wheel. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.